Other news this day, the modern nightlife of Delray Beach is posing big problems for a quaint and historic neighborhood. News Channel 5's Megan McRoberts explains.
Jeannie DePonte has called the Marina Historic District in Delray her home for more than 20 years.
It's a beautiful, lovely place to live.
A neighborhood of quaint, older homes. Many have small driveways or none at all.
So our parking has primarily been on the street.
Narrow streets that back right up to the growing downtown Delray area. Though signs say not to park, many still choose to park here when downtown parking fills up.
We're having a lot of traffic, we have parking problems, we have noise issues.
A year ago, DePonte's neighborhood asked the city to zone her street as resident parking only, a request that backfired when the city decided instead to take away all parking.
Now we're being told, be careful what you wish for.
Fire and police officials decided the streets were too narrow for fire trucks when cars were parked along the curb. Now the neighborhood's HOA president says 6 more blocks could lose on-street parking if police say they're also inaccessible.
Maybe our little village by the sea is losing its charm.
Other neighbors now worried they'll also struggle to park or have guests. And neighbors tell me they worry that not having cars parked on the street will turn the street into a speedway for cars just passing through.
And now it seems like they're getting the same thing. Be careful what you wish for, and you will have no parking on the street.
Now, DePonte said she also had to pay several $1,000s to extend her driveway. Others have even had to park on their own grass. The HOA president tells us she hopes to have an ordinance drafted to present to commissioners in the next couple of weeks that would allow other streets to keep on-street parking, give guest parking tags, and prevent public parking. Megan McRoberts, WPTV News Channel 5.